how you can make your first $500 to $1,000 per day with TikTok affiliate marketing using TikTok as your primarily traffic source. Now in this video, I'm going to show exactly how you can go as a beginner without any experience, step by step in 2024 and 2025 and take the leverage and advantage of TikTok affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, you have some of the results here. Now what is the most important here with this is that we are promoting the product, let's say in the manifestation space or weight loss, Nutra, CPA affiliate marketing, like for example ClickBank, where you are getting paid not only the front end sales, meaning when you're promoting weight loss supplements, you're getting, let's say, $150 commissions, and then on ClickBank, for example, $200 to $300 on all the upsells. So this is how, my friend, you can make a lot of money as a beginner when you are considering promoting ClickBank products or any other affiliate networks out there. Let me go straight into here. You can see over here, right? We had over 3.5 million video views. This can be organic and paid ads on TikTok. Now, why most people are afraid to run any kind of ads is because they don't understand the math behind it, right? You're not actually paying for ads. You're investing and borrowing money from Facebook or TikTok for 24 hours. And in the next 24 hours, you're getting sales in return. So basically, you're breaking even, meaning you're getting money back. And also, you're making some kind of profit as well, right? So you can see over here, imagine in 2025, the most important is going to be positive engagement. And those are the ad campaigns we are running. Everyone else is doing this same sales conversion ads on Facebook or TikTok, right? No, we are first of all building engagement, as you can see over here. Imagine having 32,000 comments. You can see over here, let me go in the last 60 days, 4.7 million video views, 46,000 and 7,000 shares. It means for referrals, it's free traffic. Imagine that 8,000 people for free share your affiliate website, your landing page, your profile. Of course, you're going to get some sales, right? And you get only 10 sales, you're making $3,000 or 5,000 US dollars, right, in profit. It's free traffic. Okay, that's why I'm preaching this. If you really want to take advantage of TikTok Shop or TikTok affiliate marketing, promoting it without showing your face, okay, and having this kind of results, then this is very, very important to grasp. Okay, we need the right message, the market match. We're not just blasting people with some affiliate links on ClickBank. No. Once you do this correctly, and once you finally have someone who can help you step by step, one-on-one, then you will finally be able to start generating these kind of results. Okay? So let me go and show you how this works. All right? This is very important. Let me go over here and show you how this works. So you can see some of the students getting really great results in our Facebook group, right? You can see over here. Now, this is the new way of doing it. The old way was picking affiliate offer, putting landing page on ClickFunnels, and then hoping something sticks and you get some conversion here and there, which doesn't work anymore in 2025. So if you want to get results, I think take advantage of this. You don't need to be a genius to make 500 or 800 US dollars daily, right? No. You can see over the Zoom call, we connect one-on-one. Now, I'm not selling any courses. I'm not buying any courses because I don't believe in buying a course. You're paying 3,000 US dollars usually for a course only with no personal one-on-one support whatsoever. Okay, so that's why I would rather pay $10,000 to someone to show me one-on-one how I can actually move forward and fast forward myself to get great results. Does it make sense, right? So look how the math works over here. How quickly you can make money. If you're spending, let's say, $50 on ads a day, 50 USD. And let's say that you're getting 50 clicks, $1 per click, sometimes even less. I'm getting for 4 cents or 10 cents, 25 cents per click, okay? So TikTok is really new Amazon or eBay. Once you grasp this idea, you'll be able to realize, okay, you don't have to believe me. Just go and Google it. How many users there are, not only in Asian market, but also in European, American, Australian, Canadian, UK, right? Africa. So get the idea, okay? This is new traffic source. This is like Facebook in 2008 or 2012, okay? When everything was running very smoothly, there was no ad account shutdown, there was no compliance team shutting down on flagging your accounts like on Google or Facebook, right? So you can see over here how you can make money. You have to understand there are 5 stages of awareness. You have unaware people and you have most aware people. If you're not getting sales, it's not your fault. If you have bought courses in the past, you lost money, again, it's not your fault. Why? Because you didn't know what is the missing puzzle. There's always something missing. You are so close. You know you are so close. As you watch this video, listening to my voice right now, you know that you deserve more and you can make money. If other people are making money, then so can you, right? So, but there is always something missing. So the missing puzzle is, you can see my friend over here. We have solution aware, product aware, and most aware audiences. So depend where you meet that customer. Okay, when they go on TikTok, for example, or Facebook, and they're scrolling, and they click on your ad. Okay, but why they click on their ad? That's the reason, because you have to put them into the problem state and move them with your funnel, with your quiz funnels, into the solution state. Okay, so this is where the sale happen. Okay, so it's very important. When you do that, you'll be able to generate really easy commissions online. I'm saying easy and simple because it's truly easy and simple once you have a bigger picture and once you have someone who can actually help you, okay, one-on-one, step-by-step, over the Zoom call, okay, to navigate campaigns so you know exactly what you're doing. Does it make sense? Having someone to personally help you one-on-one along the way and hand-holding you so you have sustainable passive income with TikTok affiliate marketing. I'm not talking tomorrow $1,000, next day $100. No, I'm talking sustainable income where you can make, I don't know, all the way from $10,000 to $30,000 per month. Of course, not overnight, but you can start generating commissions in your first 7 to 6 days once you have affiliate campaigns running. Okay, so you can see people just like you, everyday people just like you, stay-at-home mom, single moms. You can see over here the results, okay, they are getting, and that's very important because I really care about you having great success. Okay, only if you're serious, if you really want to move forward and get results. So what you have to do next is connect with one-on-one. You have my Instagram, okay, I have my Instagram over here. I have my Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, yes, personal WhatsApp number. You can reach out to me and call me, but only if you're serious, okay? Let me know if you have some money to invest. I would say minimum 500 USD to 5,000 US dollars, okay? All the way up to there. If you're really serious, if you really want to make great money, okay? We can talk numbers later, okay? You can let me know. As long as you're serious, we can find a way to make it happen for you as well. So do let me know, okay, after watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips.